We are the
Pork and Beans. Hey everyone, we're gonna start doing a food vlog, right?
Yes, food and what else? Food muna. Here at
We're at the Shell gas station here at they have
Saan ba
a
to?
K shopping something inside.
Where are we? Are we at
We're
Baldwin
at,
Park? Baldwin Park?
no.
Yeah, Baldwin Park.
Almost Irwindale and
Irwindale.
Baldwin Park. Anyways, we're trying this biscuit. They said this is the best biscuit here.
Oh, balik na.
Crunch. Is that the biscuit? And chicken.
This is
So
the
we get the
Mojo's.
chicken.
Mojo's.
Oh, Mojo.
Mojo's potato.
Where's the
Ang
chicken?
dami nito ah. Oh, chicken.
Oh, the chicken's in there. Mojo's chicken and the biscuit. There you
No,
go.
I give this
How is it?
maybe 8 out of 10. What about you?
Huh? Yeah,
Huh?
it's pretty good. Not bad.
Hindi siya salty.
It's 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Masarap.
But let's try the biscuit. They said this is the best one.
And
It comes with extra honey, right?
Check natin ang honey. Ay, puta! Oh shit, nagmura tayo. Pwede na yan.
Pwedeng edit yun. Tanggalin.
Oh!
Alright.
Tapos,
It has extra honey for the biscuit if you want it sweeter.
buksan mo na yan.
Try mo muna. Without the without the
Without
honey
the ano
first.
muna.
We'll try without the honey.
Sige ito. Without the honey. Without the honey. Bro!
It's the best one, right?
Masarap nga to.
Oh, I told you.
Better than freaking... Better than church's biscuit.
Uh-huh.
Taka na 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
From here.
Oh my God, masarap nga to,
They
bro.
used to have a blueberry, but they
Oh,
don't make
shit.
it anymore. But this is 10 out of 10.
Ito, with the ano.
That's over 10.
Yeah. My God, masarap nga. Masarap ito. Masarap po.
Sabi na, try the chicken now.
Kaya mo sa'yo with ano.
Naman na. We're gonna
Now
try the
chicken.
chicken.
Get the wings, get your wings.
Got the wings right here.
And
All of this is $7.99.
Yeah.
Then they give you $1 for a large drink. Extra large drink.
let me taste the chicken.
This big. It's $1.
Bro!
It's better than churches and
Yeah.
Popeyes.
Masarap nga siya.
Told you.
Bro, this is a good
And it's cheaper.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi mo plato ko sa mukha mo, puro ako yan ah. Yeah.
There you go. So, if you guys want to try it, come here at K.
Yeah. Hey, gas station.
Crispy Crunch Chicken. Here
Bro.
at Shell. By Irwindale.
You guys should try this, bro. It's good.
Going towards Arcadia. Or Monrovia.
Masarap nga siya.
Okay. Alright.
We're out.
So, check out our
Yep.
YouTube channel.
Please like and subscribe.
There you go. Peace.